हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे सोशल मोबाइलिटी। सोशल मोबाइलिटी ये टॉपिक सोशोलॉजी का है। इसमें हम नेचर एंड टाइप्स ऑफ सोशल मोबाइलिटी पढ़ेंगे। मेजरमेंट ऑफ सोशल मोबाइलिटी, मोबाइलिटी विद इन कास्ट एंड क्लास सिस्टम। इसका जो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, एमरजेंस ऑफ मिडिल क्लास, ये मैं अपने शॉर्ट्स वाले सेक्शन में वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी कल। फर्स्ट टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं हम, नेचर एंड टाइप्स ऑफ सोशल मोबाइलिटी। Social mobility refers to the movement of individual or group from one social position to another in society. This movement may involve a change in occupation, income, education, power, or social status. A person may move to a higher position or a lower position. Nature of social mobility. The main characteristics of social mobility are universal process. Social mobility exists in every society, although its level differ from one society to another. Dynamic. It changes with time due to industrialization, urbanization, education, and economic development. Based on opportunity. Education, occupation, talent, and hard work increases the chances of mobility. Can be upward or downward. People may improve or lose their social status. Promote social change. It reduces inequality and create a more open and progressive society. Effective by social institution. Family, education, government policies, and the economy influence social mobility. Types of social mobility. Vertical mobility. It refers to the movement up or down the social hierarchy. Upward mobility. A poor student becomes a doctor or IAS officer. Downward mobility. A businessman loses wealth and becomes unemployed. Horizontal mobility. A person changes their occupation or place of work without changing social status. For example, a teacher transfer from one school to another. Intergenerational mobility. This occurs between two generations. For example, parents and farmer, but their son becomes an engineer. Intra-generational mobility. This occurs during the lifetime of a person. For example, a clerk is promoted to the post of manager. Structure mobility. It occurs because of change in society, such as industrialization, technological development, or economic reform that create new opportunities. Exchange mobility. In this type, some people move upward while others move downward, keeping the overall social structure balanced. Second question है, measurement of social mobility. Measurement of social mobility means findings out how people move from one social position to another. It shows whether a person's social status has become higher to lower. Social mobility is measured by looking at a person's education, job, income, wealth, and social status. It also helps us know whether a society gives equal opportunity to everyone. Ways to measure social mobility. Occupation. Job. A person's job is the most common way to measure social mobility. We compare a person's job with their parents' job or with their old job. Example, a farmer's son becomes a doctor. This is upward mobility. Income. Income means the money a person earns. If a person's income increases, it shows upward mobility. If income decreases, it shows downward mobility. Education. Education helps people get better job and improve their social status. Example, a poor student studies hard gets a degree and becomes a government officer. Wealth. Wealth means owning land, a house, money, or a business. People with more wealth usually have a higher social position. Social status. Some jobs are respected more than others. Example, doctor, teacher, and judge usually have higher social authority than unskilled workers. Comparing parents and children. Sociologists compare the social position of parents and their children. If children achieve a higher position than their parents, it shows upward social mobility. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है मोबाइलिटी विद इन कास्ट एंड क्लास सिस्टम। अगर आपको मेरे नोट्स हेल्पफुल लगे हों तो कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मीनिंग ऑफ सोशल मोबाइलिटी। मीनिंग इसका पीछे जो मैंने पढ़ाया वो लिखना है, उसके बाद मीनिंग लिखने के बाद हमने लिखना है मोबाइलिटी इन द कास्ट सिस्टम। इन द कास्ट सिस्टम a person's caste is decided by birth. It cannot be changed easily. Because of this, social mobility is very low. Main points. Caste is fixed at birth. A person cannot change their caste. Marriage usually happen within the same caste. Traditional job are linked with caste. Upward mobility is very difficult. Example, a person born in a lower caste may become a doctor or teacher, but their caste remain the same. Today, education, government job, and reservation have improved the lives of many people, but their caste does not change. Mobility in the class system. The class system is based on education, job, income, and wealth. It is an open system, so people can change their social class. Main points. Class is not decided by birth. Education and hard work help a people move up. A person can change their job. Both upward and downward mobility are possible. Example, a poor student studies hard and becomes an engineer. This is upward mobility. A rich businessman who loses all his money may move to a lower class. This is downward mobility. Difference between caste and class system. Caste system, class system. Caste system based on birth, closed system, very little mobility. Caste cannot change, few opportunities. Class system based on education and income, open system, high mobility. Class can change, many opportunity. थैंक यू, बाय। आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं।